Do you guys remember how we talked about the negative bias? Well, fear is one of its favorite weapons. Our brains are wired to spot the potential threats, and sometimes the system goes into overdrive, making mountains out of molehills and holding us back from taking those confidence-boosting leaps. Alongside that is its crafty sidekick, the self-doubt, that nasty inner voice that whispers, "You're not good enough, don't even try it." Today, we're going to expose these sabotaging mechanisms for what they are and equip you with tools to take action even when they're trying to hold you back. The illusion of fear. Here is something crucial to realize. Fear is often an illusion. Think back to a time you were terrified to do something, a presentation or taking up a new hobby. Chances are, once you did it, it wasn't nearly as bad as you anticipated. Fear magnifies the potential for disaster while downplaying your ability to cope with it. For example, imagine you're invited to a networking event for your dream job. Fear screams, it will be awkward, you'll say something stupid, no one will want to talk to you. Stay home. But the reality is likely far less dramatic, and even if a conversation is awkward, you will survive it. Doubt isn't always the truth. Self-doubt comes in many flavors. I'm not qualified enough. Everyone will see right through me. If I fail, it proves I'm worthless. Notice how absolute these thoughts are. They don't leave room for complexity, for growth, for the fact that everyone feels unsure of themselves sometimes in their life. Befriending your fear. We're not going to magically erase fear and doubt. They're part of being human. However, we can change our relationship with them, and let's see how you can do it. Acknowledge and name. Instead of suppressing fear, say to yourself, okay, yes, I am feeling nervous about this interview. That is just normal. This simple act takes away some of its power. Reality check. Ask yourself, what's the worst thing that could happen realistically? Then consider how would you handle it. This helps you break the spell of catastrophic thinking. Focus on the action. Instead of dwelling on the fear, shift to the smallest step you can take. Applying for the job, practicing one interview question, or anything that is related. Action moves you forward despite fear. The courage, confidence, connection. Courage isn't the absence of fear. It's feeling afraid and doing it anyway. Every time you take action despite fear and doubt, you're sending a powerful message to your brain. I can handle this. This builds the kind of confidence that comes from real life experiences, not just positive thinking.